Chef Athan. Today I'm be showing you how I make s'mores. First, you're going to need Hershey bars, graham crackers, and marshmallows. First, you're going to need some graham crackers. We're going to put a half of a Hershey bar in the graham cracker. Now we're going to melt the chocolate. Now we're going to broil for 4 minutes. Then you put the marshmallows on top of the crackers and the chocolate. And it goes back in the oven and go back to broil for 2 minutes. And now we're done. Now we're gonna put the other graham cracker. Here you go.
Wait, what the? No! No way.
Now
This seems
take
good.
one and try it.
Okay. Best bump. It's actually very good, to be honest. I love s'mores.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. And also follow my Instagram and peace.